Dutch YPR-765 infantry vehicle arrives in Ukraine. According to a press release from the Ukrainian military, the army recently received a new weapon, the Dutch YPR-765 vehicle. About a month earlier, the Dutch Prime Minister announced via his Twitter account that the Netherlands would be sending heavy combat equipment to Ukraine, including armored vehicles, following a phone call with Ukrainian President Vladimir Zelensky. The YPR was introduced to the Dutch Army in 1979, and the Army is now making plans for a replacement vehicle. Basically, the YPR-765 is an improved version of the American M113 APC, armored personnel carrier. Most Dutch YPRs are built under license in the Netherlands by the DAF company, which is well known for their solid trucks. The main version of the YPR is equipped with a 25mm gun and carries a vehicle commander, gunner and driver plus 8 additional infantry troops. The command version is equipped with a 25mm or .50 caliber cannon. Other versions of the YPR include vehicles for reconnaissance, engineering duty, ambulance, anti-tank, cargo, crowd and riot control, and a mortar tower with storage space for 120mm bullets inside.